Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Andy, and today we're gonna do some unboxing. I got Rome Adventure here. They sent me these cases, and I'm gonna unbox them today, and then we're gonna talk about it a little bit. I have like 3 big, heavy boxes, but I'm just gonna start with the first one. This right here. This right here is an 82-liter rug case. You guys probably saw this on Instagram, and if you haven't, I'm about to change your world. I've been wanting this case for quite some time now, and I'm so happy that they're able to finally contact with me and send me these. Look at how these cases look. I got the tan version. There's an OD green, desert tan, and black, and then also a slate color. That slate color is like a gray one. This one is probably my favorite one just because I already have a case on there that's kind of this color, and I'm kind of going with the same color scheme. We got tan, we got white, we got black. They have a super cool logo right here, and it's made out of this nice aluminum piece, so it doesn't feel like it's just a piece of sticker that's on this case. This thing is really well designed. I like the detail on that. These locks right here, you can put them right in there, open it up, and these come down. Oh, that is cool. All right, I didn't know that it comes with this thing that just hold up the top, but the fact that it does, that's pretty tight. I like that. And let's see. Wow, the room in here is huge. There's a lot of stuff I can put in here, and they're sealed, so you don't have to worry about rain getting in here at all. There's a lot of things you can do with this. You can store them for, and then on the back, you have a spot to take out the water. Let's say if you did put ice in here, or I don't know, you go fishing, you throw fish in here and keep them in here safe. This right here will drain all the water out, which is kind of cool that they add that right there. Once you close this down, nicely closed, lock it up. Okay, the handles are really easy to hold. Okay, they're not that heavy at all. And that's the 82-liter rugged case. Now we're gonna open the other one to see the difference between these. This one's a lot longer. It's a lot thinner. Where's my knife? It's extremely dangerous to lose your knife. All right, this one is thinner, as you can tell, than the other one, but it is a lot longer. I almost want to say it's double the length. This, as you can see, is a little bit different. Back up. It's definitely on the long side. Here's the bottom one. You can totally see the length difference, okay? I'm gonna turn this thing on the side so we can kind of compare it better. See? Logo down here, super love it. Logo right there, and the bottom one. And then on this, you have 3 latches. The latches are really nice, really premium. I like the way it looks. Here, yes, it also has these. That's cool that will keep the case up so I don't have to have a hand holding it up. This is definitely a lot more room lengthwise, but it's not that steep, so you're kind of only holding some stuff in here. With this, you can put a lot of stuff. There's a lot more depth to this one. This one is just big and long. So what I can put in here is probably like archery, maybe a gun, whatever you want to do, maybe an axe even in here. So that's pretty neat. It is nice. The thing that I think this one is missing are the handles. Okay, so there's no handles like on the other one, but the same thing here, you do have that water thing that comes out right there. So for this, you're holding it, you're just holding the case as it is. So yeah, there's no handle. Just gonna grab it like this and kind of load it up. I think both of them is amazing, and they're both used in different ways. So wherever you're going, you can leave both of them up top, or you can just leave one at a time. Whatever it may be, you get to decide which one you guys want to use, but I think they're both necessary and they have their own purposes, okay? This bottom one for certain things and this top one for different things. I think I'm gonna start with this top one and putting it on my car. Like the way it looks, it just takes up a lot of space, so I got to move some stuff around up there. All right, you guys, mounting this thing will be something else because there's no hose on the bottom that you guys have to screw something in. This is something we have to make on our own. Screw the hose in there. It's gonna be interesting because now I have to measure the top where the pencil rack is and find the right spot to screw in the hose. Now, if you guys don't want to put the screw in, then you just throw them in your trunk. If you have like a truck or a Subaru Crosstrek, which will probably take up the whole trunk. Especially this one. This one I might not screw on top, to be honest with you. This one actually might just go inside the trunk, but this one is definitely going on top. So I gotta find the right size for this and length so I can screw it in correctly. I haven't mounted anything yet, but it's gonna look something like this. So there's my car and the big roll case. I replaced it and took it out from this little old thing that I had. It's a small little case. You know, I can just pretty much hold it with one hand. It's really tiny and it worked for what it is, but as you can see, it's already fading and it's beginning to look really old and nasty. So that would be how the big one looks like. I have a problem with the longer one because at first I was like, yeah, it can go up there perfectly. And then now the problem that I have with it is that it doesn't fit next to my tire. So I got to figure out how to put it up there fitting next to my tires. But if I were to put this one, that's how it would look like. And I would only put this up here if I go like camping or something like that. But remember, I don't want to put hose in this one. I want to put a hose in the other one. So got to move some stuff around. A good thing to do is to always put it up there first before you screw everything down to see, kind of like visualize if that's where you want it to be. With this right here, I got to move my tires over because the tires is kind of blocking half of the case. And it's really leaning forward. It's super hot out today. Anyways, you guys can see that, look, my tires is touching the case and the case is hanging from the side. It's like hanging out. So I gotta move the tires over and then move the case over a little bit. And then that should actually fit perfectly. 4 hours later and I finally got it up on top. I secured it down the same way I did with my other case. There's 4 bolts on the bottom, 2 on each side, 2 on this side. Just make your markings and just play around with it. So it does come out a little bit on both the front and the back. And if you look at the tires and you look at the case, it's about the same distance off. You do need this room right here in the middle because when you open it, it does expand over and touches that wheel. So you still need room to open it. And then I moved my max tracks on this side. Transmission is the whole thing that I had to change. When you're looking at it from the front, the box is right there. I got the rotor packs in the middle and then the max tracks on the left. It looks good, it looks like it fits. The only thing is that it can only open up this much. I can't open it all the way because the back is hitting the tire and the rotor pack, so this is as much as I can open. Pretty cool that it still stays open, so it works the way it does. And these are the hose right here that I pin them down. I'm gonna see if I can find some foam cover to cover this whole thing up, but that's pretty much it, you guys. And if any water ever gets in, I can just drain it out straight to the back of my car. This took a little bit just to figure out how to fit it and where to move the rest of the stuff because I still want the other things on there and not having to take it out. So this is Rome Adventure unboxing and first review about it. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe already because you guys should just do it already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Andy. I'll see you later. Peace.